Hey guys, my name is Josh Beckham and I'm the Chief Financial Officer here at Golden's Cast Iron. I've been hunting and fishing my whole life and I understand the importance of making memories in the outdoors with your family and friends. We are so excited to introduce you our products. We have a robust lineup of grills and fire pits that will help you make memories with your family and friends that will last a lifetime with our products that will last a lifetime. I've been hunting and fishing since I was literally 18 months old. The story goes that much to my mom and grandmother's chagrin, my dad and my granddad loaded up a diaper bag, threw me in the truck, and took me to the woods when I was 18 months old. And a lot of years later, I'm still always in the woods, in the water, pursuing my passion. One of the things that I love about the outdoors and why I'm so passionate about bringing our products to you here today is I love making memories. Some of my fondest memories are sitting by a campfire with my granddad and my dad and my uncle and telling stories and learning about the things that they did when they were kids or funny things that happened to them when they were hunting or fishing. Or sitting sharing a meal with my family and my friends, maybe over Thanksgiving, after we've had a big get together and a big hunt together and laughing about that and just sharing a wild game supper. What I wanted to do and why we're here today is I wanted to enable y'all to have a product that you can make memories for a lifetime with. We have a line of grills and fire pits that are made to last a lifetime and are made for you and your family to share meals and to share stories around the campfire to make those memories that will last a lifetime. I encourage you to check out our fire pits, our grills, our fire pit cooking systems, and see how they can fit into your outdoor lifestyle so that you can make those memories that will last a lifetime. There's nothing more American than hunting. There's nothing more American than our Golden's Cast Iron fire pit, made in America, baby.